Most men think that strength is only about physical power or social status. But the truth is, real strength lies in a man's mindset, behavior, and decisions. There are certain habits and traits that, even if you don't realize it, make you appear weak, not just in the eyes of others but also in your own. In this video, we will discuss 3 major signs that indicate you are on the path of weakness. But don't worry, we will also provide practical and proven solutions to help you turn these weaknesses into strengths. If you're serious about self-improvement and becoming a stronger man, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. The first sign: lack of emotional control. Imagine you're in a business meeting, and someone criticizes you. Or in your personal life, a disagreement arises that upsets you. How would a strong man react? And how would a weak man respond? Traits of weak men. They get angry or discouraged too quickly. If things don't go their way, they lose control. Their emotions control them instead of the other way around. Why is this a problem? When you cannot control your emotions, people stop relying on you. In the workplace, you seem unprofessional. In relationships, people distance themselves from you. Nobody wants to work with or be around someone who might explode in anger or sink into despair at any moment. How to master emotional control. Practice the pause. When you feel anger, stress, or frustration building up, take 10 deep breaths before reacting. This helps reset your brain's response and gives you time to choose a better reaction. Exercise regularly. Physical activities like running, weightlifting, or yoga increase serotonin and dopamine, which reduce stress and improve emotional control. Ask yourself, will this still matter to me 24 hours from now? 90% of the time, the answer is no. Stay calm. Improve communication skills. Instead of reacting aggressively, ask questions and try to understand the other person's perspective. Many conflicts are just misunderstandings. Recognize and name your emotions, instead of just saying, "I'm angry." Identify exactly why you feel that way. This helps you manage emotions better. The second sign: indecisiveness and lack of confidence in decisions. A strong man makes his own choices and moves forward with confidence. A weak man, however, hesitates, constantly seeks validation, and frequently second-guesses himself. Traits of weak men. They struggle with even simple decisions. They care too much about what others think. They often regret their choices and keep changing their minds. Why is this a problem? A man who cannot make firm decisions will never progress in life. Strong, decisive choices separate an average life from an extraordinary one. How to become more decisive? Follow the 70% rule. If you have at least 70% of the information you need, make a decision. Don't wait for 100% certainty. It will never come. Shift focus from fear of failure to learning. Even if a decision turns out wrong, you learn and grow. Strong men embrace mistakes as opportunities to improve. Adopt the mindset, "I am responsible for my life." If you let others decide for you, you will never create the life you truly want. Use the pros and cons method. Write down the advantages and disadvantages of a decision. Seeing them on paper makes choices clearer. The tirtha sign number 3: constant need for approval. Strong men live according to their own values and beliefs, not the opinions of others. Weak men, however, constantly seek approval and let others define their worth. Traits of weak men. They need validation from others before making any decision. They avoid doing what they love because they fear judgment. They get deeply discouraged when criticized. Why is this a problem? Living for others' approval is the ultimate self-betrayal. You can never make everyone happy. If you keep trying to meet everyone's expectations, you will eventually lose yourself. How to become more independent? Know yourself. What truly matters to you? What are your goals? If you don't have clear answers, you will always rely on others for guidance. Master the power of no. You don't have to live according to others' expectations. If something goes against your values, say no with confidence. Make small decisions on your own. Start with simple things like choosing your outfit or planning your day without asking for opinions. Over time, this builds self-trust. Not all opinions are equal. If someone who has failed in life gives you advice, why should you listen? Only seek guidance from people with real experience and success. A weak man is someone who lets emotions control him and reacts impulsively, struggles with decision-making and lacks confidence, seeks validation from others instead of living by his own values. The good news? These traits can be changed. The best time to grow and transform is now. Now it's your turn. Which of these signs have you noticed in yourself or others? In your opinion, what is the most important trait of a strong man? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful content.